But there's no way. It takes 30 minutes to get to Texas City, or 15. From
I know,
Galveston.
but
Mason, I'm gonna show you how to kill King
but
Beetle.
when you have
Okay, alright.
Where are you, Mason?
I'm in Pumpkin right now. I'm doing a quest for Black Bear.
Alright, you want me to show you how to kill King Beetle? It's not that
I would
complicated.
rather. Well, like 5 of my bees are level 7, so I want to wait till most of them are level 7, then do it.
I found a rare
Just
sprout in the sunflower field.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
No, yep, sure enough. I hear it growing, and it's about to explode. Yep, there it is. How many legendaries do you have, by the way, Hunter? Do you have 8 to spawn in a sprout?
I don't have 8, but I've discovered 8 different types.
Yep, I'm home.
Oh boy.
I think you can spawn what's it called?
No, I cannot do a meteor shower.
No, a sprout. I think you can spawn in a sprout.
Yeah, I just did.
Where?
Hunter sounds like that guy on TikTok that. Hunter sounds like that guy on TikTok that says, "What do you do for a living?" On GTA.
Okay, well, as I was saying.
You just spawned in a sprout? Where? Oh, sunflower?
Yeah, that's where it blew up.
Y'all can at least wait for me.
So, Mason, let's go show you how to kill King Beetle.
Slow down, goddamn. How do you get that, what's it called? How do you get that big wand right there? And also, how much is the mask?
That I have on?
Yeah.
150 million, plus you need like 5 gold eggs, 10,000 basic treats, and a few other things.
Jesus Christ!
Hunter's been playing Bee Swarm Simulator for too goddamn long.
In here, I'll show you. Mine's here, so I can show you. You come here, you sit still for a handful of seconds, then you move left or right. Then he misses you.
He didn't miss me that time.
That's because you're not sitting still.
I'm close to getting a gold.
Okay! Fucking Christ! I'm trying! He's still attacking me! I'm dying! I just fucking died again! I'm dying! Done! Fucking gone!
Are you good, Argued?
He doesn't sound okay. Oh.
I just lost 300k pollen because I didn't fucking release. God damn it!
Are you good, Argued?
What do you fucking think?
You sound perfect.
You do.
Spectacular!
That's the spirit!
Okay.
It's a fucking spirit.
Okay, Mason. You stand there and
Oh my god.
wait
Turn down your mic! Jesus H. Christ. Can you please get on your computer?
Yeah. 1 second.
Thank you. Thank you. My god, thank you. Jesus Christ.
I'm switching now. Hold on.
Okay. Oh my god, why did my fucking headphones do that? Come on, stop fucking twisting. Stupid shit. Hunter.